SingyPop. Let's sing and dance, come join the fun. It's time to play with SingyPop kids.
Welcome to the Alphabet Adventure Song. Let's go on an ABC treasure hunt.
A for apple, our first treasure.
B for banana, ag, swinging along the path.
C for cat, D for dog, high, treasure letters we see. E for elephant, F for fish, finding letters is our wish. G for giraffe, H for hat, letters in the forest, look at that. I for igloo, J for jelly, ABC treasure hunting is so merry. K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, counting letters along the way. N for nest, O for octopus, P for penguin, N, treasure hunt fun. Q for queen, R for rainbow, S for sun, letters dancing in the fun. T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for violin, ABC treasure is a win. W, X, Y, Z, the treasure hunt is complete, hooray! Get all the letters dancing, ABC adventure fun. I love letter A. I love letter T. A to Z, ABC, ho! Treasure hunt is fun for you and me. Thanks for joining the Alphabet Adventure Song. Like, share, and subscribe to SingyPop Kids. Thanks for watching SingyPop Kids. See you next time!